Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to group rows with images in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we want to group the image with Excel sheet or rows. At first select a row. Now I am select this row, resize the row. Now we can see here the row. We go to the insert menu, select the shape drop down menu, choose the rectangle shape. Then draw the rectangle, press and hold Alt on our keyboard. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose shape fill, select the picture. Then choose picture from our file and select the insert option. Then click the outline and make no outline. Now you can move or resize the row. Automatically image is resized. Now we can see we group rows and image easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.